Hey, I'm just making this quick video today to share with you 3 habits that I know if you create them in your life, you'll not only become more successful, but you'll have a growth-oriented mindset and bring opportunity into your life. The first one is to find the good in life now, especially given what's going on in the world with this virus. Most people are like spewing all the negativity, they're regurgitating the news. Don't be that person. Be the person that's focusing on what's great in people, what's great from this situation. And yeah, there's a lot of crappy things that are happening, but there are good things. Focusing on them. Focus in on the opportunities that are being created by this horrible thing. Look, who wants to be around the negative person? No one. But everyone wants to be around the person that's upbeat and can find good in a seemingly horrible situation. Be that person. I know it'll change your life. The second habit is invest in new skills. Look, if we've learned anything from this whole virus thing, it's the most successful people are able to flexibly handle their workload. Now, if you're in some kind of manufacturing, that may not work for you, but there are many jobs that if you had the right skill set, you could work remotely and still earn a living and take care of your family. Now, if you don't have those skills and you've been trading your time for money, maybe now is the perfect time that you go ahead and get those skills. And I know there's a lot of companies out there, so if you don't want to work with us, that's okay. We know this training is excellent and we would love to help you, but it's up to you. But don't let this downtime go by and not improve yourself. I think that's a huge mistake. The third habit is to take ownership in what's going on in your life. And by that I mean, stop blaming your family, your friends, the education, the government, this orange president. It's not their fault. Whatever happened to you, it happened. You could blame them, and in some cases it may be someone else's, but here's the thing, that makes you a victim. Would you rather be a victim or a victor? Take whatever's happening to you. Find a way to grow through it. Figure a way that maybe you could help other people get through these problems, and maybe it'll even create an opportunity for you financially. Look, if you take it away and instead of it being the blame game and you take ownership and you look at it in a positive light, again, you move forward quicker and you better yourself. Why not do that? It's such a better, cleaner thing. Also, it gets rid of all the resentment that you may have at your wife, your family, your school, the big orange president, whatever. Look, our company, Life Without a Boss, was created to help people learn online business and teach them how to use the new technology and innovation to create an online business that 5 or 10 years ago we could have never done, because you needed to know how to code and you needed to be so technically proficient. Things have changed and we want to help you learn that. If you believe that the 3 habits I said above are true and it's something that you're already doing in your life, or you want to aspire to do that, and you have the time and you're willing to invest in your education, we want to help you. Go ahead, click that button down below and fill out your application. We're going to be starting a new intake of students in small groups so that we can help them jumpstart their online business from zero to up and running as quickly as possible. We know that it's a challenge in the beginning, understanding and learning technology, and we want to help you get over that hump. But to do that, it's going to require your action. We hope you take us up on it, and we look forward to helping you. Take care.